Okay, so I bought a Philips Hue Play set. This is the package with 2, and here we have a package with 1 extension, because I will use this to sync my TV with my lights. So by using an Android TV box with an app that I can sync everything I show on the TV box to my TV, I will use these 3 to my TV. These 2 on the left and right side, and this extension one on the top of my TV. So let's do an unboxing of this. As usual, our Philips Hue package looks almost identical to everything else that is Philips Hue. No big difference here. So let's start with unboxing. Let's take my knife now. Here we have my Swiss Army knife. And the box is already open. And here we have some documentation, a guide and so on. Looks like better documentation this time. I think the other things I have bought have a lot worse documentation actually. So this has a much better documentation. And here we have a Philips Hue Play in black. They are also available in white, but I thought my TV on the back is black, so I think these are better for that. It feels kind of plasticky and rubberized on the back, so nice. And as you can see, they are a bit oval here, so you can have it laying like this or like this, depending on how you will use this. You can actually send the light to your wall by having it laying down like this. That's nice. And it looks like quite long cable. I was afraid of that because my TV in the bedroom that this should be for is quite big, so I thought the cable down to the floor will not be long enough, but it looks like it will be long enough on this Philips Hue Play lamp. I hate these. This is why Apple never use straps like this. I hate them. Apple never use this because this is not user friendly. But now we have a Philips Hue lamp, very long cable. I like that. And here we have one more. Of course it has the same length of the cable and same annoying strap. Very annoying. I hate them. So you are now looking at my unboxing with annoying straps, but in a later video of this I will do a setup video and also how I use this to sync everything I watch on my TV. Pretty nice. Okay, that was it. And what's more in the box? Very strange packaging, I think. Very strange. I don't like the packaging. More instructions and so on. Empty box. And here we have very annoying packaging. Okay. I don't like this. Very plastic mount products. Very plastic. And here we have the power plug. This is for European Scandinavian that I will use, and this is for something else, probably Britain, I think, England. Okay, and here we have one more stand. And here we have I hate this. Terrible packaging. Whew. I hate it. What's more, we have this too. So here we have some 3M double mounted tape that you can use on the back side of your TV with this, like that, to mount it on the TV. And here we have the power plug that I will use with this, of course, like that. And as you can see here, we have 3 ports, and this one supports all 3 lamps by these ports, so I can use the left, right and the top with this. Very nice. And as I said, these you can have when the lamps will stand. You can actually have them mounted like this, if you know what I mean, like that, and have them either like that, or you can have them on the TV with these 3M tape. You can mount it on the TV with that. And these are for the stand. If you want to have them stand up like this, you can have the lamp stand up like this. So you can choose how you want to mount these. So that's what's in the box. We have the extension left to unbox, but it's almost identical to these two. The only difference is that you don't have this in the extension box, actually. You don't have this because that's why this is a bit cheaper to buy, because you don't have the power plug. You should use it with the first kit, if you know what I mean. So in the box it should be almost identical, but we can look in the box anyway. Same instructions. And here we have the lamp. And same annoying box. Packaging. I will not bother doing the straps on this one, because that's probably very boring to look at. But here is the lamp, the extension lamp, as you can see. Philips Hue Play. And what's more in the box, of course you have the same stands and so on. More instructions, annoying box, and here we have stands, 3M tape, stands, and nothing else. empty. So that's it, actually. 3 lamps. 3 lamps as you have here. And 1 power plug. And a lot of stands, as you can see here. A lot of stands. So that's it. Hope you like this video and please subscribe. Bye.